Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to increase phone sleep time on oppo phone. Friends, you want to increase guys your phone sleep time. Friends, your phone sleep just second and minute. So how to increase phone sleep time on oppo phone in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, first open your phone setting guys. So friends, we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So when scroll it, when display brightness setting, we will tap here to increase phone sleep time. Friends, after on display brightness, you can see this type of interface. Dark mode, friends, you want to on your oppo phone dark mode, so you can on dark mode and you can use. Friends, you don't want to use, you can off from left side. Light mode will on. Friends, you can see auto brightness. So when I will on auto brightness, then my brightness will increase, decrease automatic according to my environment. So I will off it, I will brightness, I will increase brightness. Friends, you can see eye comfort mode, auto rotate and auto screen of setting. So you will have to click on your auto screen of setting and tap here, and you can increase guys your phone sleep time from here according to yourself. You want in guys 2 minutes, 1 minute and 5 minutes. So I want 10 minutes. I will click on guys 10 minutes. So guys, now we will wait for 15 seconds. Friends, you can see after 15 seconds guys, phone will not sleep on our Oppo phone device guys. As you can see 10 seconds, 11, 12, 13, 14. As you can see after 15 seconds guys, phone not sleep. So after 10 minutes guys, phone will sleep if I do not tap on my screen guys. I will just keep on my screen, and friends, screen will not, my phone will not sleep before 10 minutes. After 10 minutes phone will sleep automatic. So like that guys, we can increase the phone sleep time on oppo phone. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.